I had no idea this was such a physical game.
Okay, calm down, psycho.
God, I hope Hugh Jackman is here.
Not yet.
Welcome to the jungle, bro.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's always smart when games have you hold on to something since you're holding controllers.
Gorilla mech.
Adds to the immersion.
Let me show you how to use it. Really, there's just 3 things we need to learn here. The gorilla uses its giant arms to pull itself around.
Interesting movement style. Grab the ground, pull it towards you. It's tricky now that the movement's been added because I want to hold my grip buttons when I go to punch, and it's like if I do that I'm gonna be moving myself around, so I have to punch with my hands open, which feels really wrong to me because I'm used to having closed fists.
She's gonna try running, but you're faster. Stay on it and break it to bits. Less damage. Good. He's gonna do a lot of chasing down in Underdogs.
I don't want to chase. I want them to come to me.
Pull yourself sideways instead of forward.
Okay, the dodging is adding a lot to it to freaking figure out.
Almost.
This is a game you play in a very open space, which I'm not in a very open space right now with my VR treadmill in here. So you can just body slam into stuff too.
Junk dog. Let's face it. I'm sure you're worthy of playing mine, brother. Oh. Waiting for this game, huh?
Okay, geez, this is a much hotter and sweatier game than I thought. I gotta go change to a cooler outfit. Ultimately, I did not sit down even though your character's sitting because the need to throw punches, it's way better standing.
And these are just roaches. Break 'em, bruv. Show this crowd that we're here to bring trouble. So
I feel like the body slamming is way easier than all the punching mechanics, but the punching mechanics are way more fun. Here we go.
A new bracket jump. You can't let him hit the ball. You gotta get out of the way. Ready for them that I'm ready for. Bro, we can't keep taking this damage. Kill by your aggression.
So that was a win, but I kind of thought I might have lost there at the end. It's funny they keep calling you Gorilla because something about this art style reminds me of this old band called the Gorillaz.
I got sunshine in a bag.
Here we go. You ready? Seriously? It's just staying this dark? Can the crowd even see you in there?
So for those of you out there who are liking what you're seeing here with Underdogs, they are actually having a giveaway right now where they're giving away 10 Quest 3s. That's not a terrible chance of actually winning one. There's less than 2 days left on it, so I'll leave a link in the comments in the description down below if you want to get entered in that giveaway. And if somebody in our community wins one of these Quest 3s, I'd be so excited. Let me know, and good luck.
They crack the bubble. Tighten the defense, bruv. Can't let them get through to you. Listen to these lunatics. Man, these people are seriously broken.
Game does a good job of mixing physical intensity with the feeling of risk.
Hey, yo, I heard of these before. They're called bomb bots.
Oh, bomb bots. I gotta get away from those.
Man, watch the bomb bot, bruv. I can hardly make them out.
There you go, blow up on him. No, blow up on him. Let's blow up on him. Oh, is he stuck to him? There we go. That worked better. I don't know how I got him to stick to him. Pick the multiple items. Still haven't really figured out what all the items do together, but hey. I don't think we took much damage. I guess that kind of shows the 3 bars right there. Yeah, we should probably fix. Solo alcohol and piss. Jeez. Well, they run a lot of money, but I feel like you gotta have a strong mech. They keep giving me this option of buying something or repairing, and if I buy something, then I can't repair. It's always the same amount of money. Ooh, I kind of want to be able to grab stuff. That seems cool. Okay, so now my right hand can grab. Interesting mechanic. Now I'm still grabbing the floor with my grip buttons, but now I can grab stuff with my trigger finger. Yes. Oh, that hurt me a lot. Okay, that was not worth doing, but that was cool. Get in there. Okay, no, don't touch that. Yes. Go in there. Oh god, he's gonna blow up. He's gonna blow up. Oh, again, move. Get back. Get back. There we go. Whew. Once you start to get the hang of it, it does make you feel pretty cool. Definitely need to repair after that. Oh, I do not have the money for all this. So the strategy would be take an easy one here because I don't have a lot of health left. So you can also swap out parts and then it gets your health back if they're new, which is pretty cool. So you don't necessarily have to go fix your leg. If you have an extra leg, you could just swap it out. So now, besides my cockpit, I'm pretty much all repaired. Cockpit still looks a little bad from last time. Went back to the fists. I feel like I wasn't utilizing the hand very well, so.
Yo, they ain't got nothing on us.
Okay, they're gonna blow up. Okay. Trying to play this one a little bit more cool and collected to get to understand the mechanics a bit more, but ooh, I just took a bad hit. The body slam just seems to be OP, and it seems like I keep doing it, but I'm like, I fear I've gotta be taking damage somewhat when I do it, right? DED dead. Intense mechanics. Definitely sneaks in a workout while you just feel like you're playing a game, which is pretty neat about it. Curious if it get a little repetitive much further in. I'll revisit it and play some more. We'll see.